Okay. Good morning, UK and other countries. Anyone watching today? Good morning. It's my second day here in the UK, and it all started by catching a bus, then a plane, then another bus, then a car. And where am I, you may ask? I'm currently traveling to a youth conference, and this is the guy who will take me there. You might remember him from the last video.
Why is this guy actually doing fun? Yes! Alright, next one! Next one! Next one! Next one! Come on. Just one more. I'll overtake the second one. Alright, you're turning left? Yeah, okay, cool. I'm gonna overtake 2 cars. Sorry guys if it scares you. As soon as this guy makes this left turn, I'm gonna overtake this cash car and whatever car's in front. Because what the hell? Nah, G. Allow it. Where's this left turn? Alright, cool. You're gone. Come on. Get on my way. Cheese or bread. You idiots on the road, you know. Let's roll, boys! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about, dog! What the hell? Oh, allow it, bro. Allow it, bro.
We made it to the conference safe and sound. Then the conference started with this game with the cups. The idea is to grab the cup faster than the other person in front of you. And yeah, I lost.
Knees, shoulders, head, shoulders, cup. Knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, shoulders, knees, toes, shoulders, cup. Head, knees, toes, knees, cup.
After the games, they also presented the seminars, followed by a worship service that lasted until 2 am. What, you don't believe me? Here is the proof. At this point of the video, I know what you're all thinking. What a vlog without a room tour, right? So, dear subscribers, this is the bathroom. Definitely not a photo from the internet because I forgot to take a photo from the bathroom. That room is very interesting, as you can see. We got bathtub, sink, toilet, and most importantly, toilet paper. The other room is very interesting, as you can see. We have bed, a bed, another bed. So, that's about the room tour.
There is no success without a successor. And she is now our mission school director. So we say, Richard, to God be the glory for great things he has done. He has taken the mission school 20 years, and he will take it another, God spare our life, and if Jesus doesn't come. We want to give you the honor, Richard. You have been one of the pillars of this mission school. They're not fake candles, they will go out.
It says on the cake, let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus.
After the preaching and worship, everyone was pretty much free to do as they pleased.
literally got like 200 Bulgarian photos I didn't know you had. And more.
No, pass it directly.
He said he'll send it over to us. So, you're welcome. If you don't want me filming, you just say. Don't worry, it's all going to be edited.
I'm gonna do my mascara and you take a picture.
Better hope this one goes. Oh, no, okay, next.
It's really a blessing to be here. Oh, you are something else. Why are you laughing? The things you do to me.
In 20 years' time, they're going to need to see this.
I know, they will see.
They need to see the half room
Terrible.
cake.
Third and last day, and it happened to be Raf's birthday, so happy birthday, Raf. After the service was over, I said goodbye to all of my friends from the UK. And just like that, I found myself at the airport, exhausted. I got home the next morning without any problems. I really want to take a moment just to thank Pastor Sam for inviting me to this conference. Thank you, Pastor Sam. And also I want to thank Pastor Darren for helping me with all the organization and all the stuff that needed to be done in order for me to go to the UK. Thank you, Pastor Darren, and also everyone else who helped me during my visit to the UK. Thank you guys for everything you've done. I hope this video will remain as a good memory of this conference, and as always, I will see you in the next video.